Diamonds are forever, full many a gem of purest ray serene, the dark unfathomable caves of ocean bare. Full many a flower is born to blush unseen and waste its sweetness on the desert air. So says Thomas Gray. Gems include all kinds of precious stones: amethyst, opals, rubies, emeralds, topaz, sapphires, garnet, jade, and a number of other semi-precious stones. Depending on the quality of stone, size, shape, and polishing, the stones from semi-precious attain the precious state, and accordingly its market value is decided. It is not the stone itself, but everything from the humble miner who discovers them to the artisans who cut them on that decide their value. Pearls are formed when a grain of sand penetrates the delicate oyster. In an attempt to get relief from the painful intrusion, the oyster secretes layer upon layer of saliva to cover the plain grain of sand, which ultimately, over a period of many years, crystallizes into a precious pearl. No one asks why the poor oyster had to sacrifice itself to attain its pearldom, but the world craves its possession. In a similar manner, all the colleges that are a stretch of virgin earth that yield precious stones, its students. It is that tract of ocean depth. It is that tract of land which nourishes and nurtures its students to strive towards perfection and beyond. Success never demands explanations and tolerates no failures. If you reach for the stars, you will at least reach the clouds. But if you reach for the clouds, you may bite the dust. For the winning goal goes to the one who thinks he or she can. So strive to become diamonds, because diamonds are forever and the best. A new semester opens up vistas of opportunities, loads of fun, hordes of friends, challenges, victories, and life itself in all its fullness. It is you who will decide whether this will be a fruitful time or a time of failure and disappointment. On how hard you work depends the fruit of success. Parents and teachers provide the means and explanations. The ultimate learning and reproducing on the examination sheet, the correct answer has to be done by the students themselves. It is like the runner who failed in the athletic race, and when asked what happened, he complained that he did not possess Reebok shoes. A bad carpenter always blames his tools, and you can go on with the excuses, but it will not give you the coveted success. In real life, there are no retakes, only the shouts of encore, encore when you have done the best. The spice of life will be to live every moment as if it were your last. For who knows to what tomorrow brings? Who knows to what thread man clings? Hope in the shape of peace, peace in the form of non-existence. Life has forfeited its lease, supporters given up on persistence. Who knows what comes with the dawn? Love, laughter, life or scorn? So asks Alan Parsons in his musical composition, Who Knows? Cherish your visions, cherish your ideals, cherish the music that stirs your heart, the beauty that forms in your mind, the loveliness that drapes your finest thoughts, for out of them will grow all delightful conditions, all heavenly environment. Of these, if you remain true to them, your world will be at last built. So says James Allen in As You Think. You have to constantly tell yourself, I am not on this earth by chance. I am here for a purpose, and that purpose is to grow into a mountain, not shrink into a grain of sand. Positive thoughts instilled into your psyche at the start of every brand new morning will reap you a harvest of abundance in cash and kind. So start investing in millions that moths and insects will not destroy, but it will be a heavenly investment which you can encash at any time. So who knows what is around the next corner? Just keep going forward, never look back. One door closes, but another one always opens. And now a little bit of Shakespearean philosophy that is composed out of his main comedies. Life is neither a tempest nor a midsummer night's dream. You may take it as you like it, or make much ado about nothing. But life will show, if you have an understanding heart, that all's well that ends well, and everyone at last receives measure for measure. Thank you.